Hi everyone, welcome back, and here is another paint nails with me. I really missed this series on my channel and just really wanted to talk, which is what we do in this series, just kind of paint our nails and talk about everything and anything. And currently what I wanted to let you guys know is I ran out of my base and top coats, so I had to go and buy new ones. And I also feel like this year has been the year that I painted my nails the least, because for a couple of months I really didn't even paint my nails. That is the reason that I didn't upload videos and my motivation, everything was low, but I already made a video about it. I also made a video where I declutter my nail polish collection, just clean and everything, so it's up on my channel. In case you missed it, you can watch it after this video. But I've been really loving sheer nail polishes, and I think that the people who follow me already know that I get questions from you guys, which is nail polish that I'm using and what are my favorite sheer nail polishes. I really don't have a favorite one. I just really get nail polishes that I like and just kind of test them out and see if I really like them. But this one is from Pretty Woman NYC and I do like it. It's sheer nail polish. It's kind of like sheer beigey color, as you can see. It's very sheer, but what I love about it is that you can build it up, and also it gives you that no nail polish look, that clear gel look that a lot of people love. I'm one of those people, and I do love that natural look sometimes on my nails. Also, when it chips or grows out, you really cannot see it. When you wear color nail polish, you kind of have to change it every 3 to 4 days. That is at least what I do, because you can see it grows out. But when you're wearing this kind of nail polish, it can last longer, and I do have video on how to make nail polish last 7 days or more without chipping. Yeah, I think I made that video last year. Everything is back to basics, and I feel like we're getting back to that natural look, and I do love it. I also do love colors. It just kind of really depends on the season we're in, or the mood I'm in, or also depends on how many things I have to get done. I really love natural nail polishes because they go with everything. They're chic to me. They never go out of style. And also, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have been keeping my nails on the same length as much as I can, because actually the middle finger nail actually broke really bad, and ever since then it's kind of grown a little bit weird and kind of not how it used to grow. I know it doesn't show on the video, but I can make a video about it if anyone is interested anyways. But yeah, this is kind of my perfect length. I really don't want to make it grow longer or whatever. I just really want to keep it that length, because I think it really is in the middle. It's not too long and it's really not short, so that is what I like. I don't know, what is your favorite length of my nails or your nails? Do you keep it short or middle or really long? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Let me know what you think in comments. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'm going to talk with you really soon. I really hope that you have a good day, and I really hope that we are feeling the good vibes and we can just kind of let go. But I will talk with you soon and see you in another one.